Okay, so for my part of the semester project for the second part, um, our group did this case. We all decided on doing the second case to kind of sum up the whole case. It's about a younger class at school, and the teacher decided to teach the kids how to write a letter. And by doing this, they all wrote an appreciation letter for their mothers. And each of the students were also supposed to bring their mom's pictures to put on the letter. So a specific amount of time was given to write the letter, and then there's a specific amount of sharing time. So some kids shared their letters, and they were great thank yous and showing appreciation of the mothers. They showed the picture of their moms to the class, and finally it was this one kid's turn named Soul. He shared his letter, and it was kind of like an angry letter, and everybody was kind of confused about why his letter about his mom was so angry. So then, at the end, he told the class that he was adopted, and the whole class didn't really know how to react. So some of them asked how he found out about how he was adopted and how he felt about it or why he was adopted, that sort of thing. And some students asked the teacher about why some mothers give away their kids and why some kids were adopted. So, my idea of a solution to this is that the teacher would explain to the kids that there was always a reason that a kid might be adopted or why the mother gave away the child. Um, a lot of the time, I guess the teacher would say a lot of the time that the moms, it just depends on what type of situation they're in. Maybe they were a teenager and couldn't provide for a baby, or maybe they were just in a bad place, or it's always a hard decision though for that mom to give away the baby. So I think that a good way that the teacher would finish dealing with the situation is to explain that Soul's mother didn't give him up for adoption out of hate or anything. She did it out of love, and she wanted him to be able to have a better life than what she could give him. And that just because a kid's adopted doesn't mean they're a bad kid or it's a bad thing. Um, but I think if the teacher explained it in that way and was really calm about it and kind of knew what to say, I think it would help the situation, and all the kids that were confused would understand better, and I think it would help Soul feel better so that he wouldn't be as angry towards his birth mother. But yeah, that's my insights on how to find a solution for this problem, number 2 for our second case.